If you're going through something painful right now, then this message was meant to find you to hopefully provide you some comfort, knowing that everything that you're going through, the pain that you're feeling, the loss, the grief, it's all valid. Everything you're experiencing is normal, and that it's okay to feel confused and to not know the path ahead or the right way to go about this. Just know that this is all part of a bigger picture, that this is all part of God's plan. And so it's important to trust in that, regardless of how things work or how or look or how bleak things seem, everything is in accordance to God's will. Everything that's happening or has happened or will happen is meant to happen. It is destiny. It's part of this giant web that is being intricately woven, and it's not for up to us to understand why or to question God's ways. It's to go with that flow, to surrender to his will and know that it all serves a purpose to lead you to a better life where you're happier and more fulfilled and full of joy. And regardless of what you go through or how dark life is or the trauma you experience, God is with you every step of the way, that he is protecting you, that he is guiding you, and that you can get through everything, even when it feels like you can't, even when you just want to die because you're in so much pain or you can't go on any longer. Somehow God gives you just a little bit more to carry you through it, to take you into the next day and the next day and the day after that, until things just start to improve and get better and better and better from there. So if there are things that are ending that you question as to why, especially if it's abrupt, like a relationship or even the loss of a loved one, it's all just a part of life. These are things that have to happen to help you grow and to learn. And even when it seems really bad, it's happening for a reason. It's to teach you. And sometimes things just happen and we don't know why. And we have to be okay with that. But in the meantime, you can lean on God and you could give it to him and you could pray to him, and he will give you solace and he will give you strength and he will give you the answers. So trust in him and trust his process so that you could surrender to him completely, and you will be surprised how great things can turn out. As long as you're breathing, as long as you wake up, there's a chance to be better, to do better, and to experience more, to have a better life. That is what this is all about. So I hope that this provided you some comfort. I want you to know that God is with you and he feels your pain and he hears your prayers and your struggles, and he is giving you the answer to trust him and to surrender to him. I hope this was helpful. I hope that it resonated and provides you some comfort. I love you so much. But remember, God loves you more. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.